Fry beef until it cooks. During that, you can cut okra, onion, garlic, tomato, and coriander. Fry onion, garlic, coriander with oil until it's soft a bit, and put the okra in. Stir fry until okra cook well. Put tomato paste and tomato chop. Stir fry a bit. Then put 2 cups of water. Leave it cook for 5 minutes. Then put the fried beef. Put 1 tablespoon of salt. Leave it cook for 15 minutes in a medium heat. After that, you can put some coriander in and serve the beef stew with rice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and